Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you will be fine. Now today I will deliver the lecture number 18 of English for class nursery, and the topic of the lecture is letter O, reading plus writing. In the previous lecture we have learnt about the letter N. Now today we will do the next letter. So what comes after letter N? Yes, here you can see the next letter. It comes after letter N. And which letter is this? Yes, this is small o. This is a lowercase o. Yes, and it has two sounds. It has two sounds. Okay, now I will tell you about the first sound of this letter. The first sound of this letter is o, a, o, a, o, a. Okay, now the second sound of this letter is O, 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 O. Okay, now what begins with this letter? Okay, here you can see the first picture for this letter. What is this? This is an orange. Okay, O. Oh, orange. Yes, here we will use the sound of letter O is O, O, orange. Yes, O, O, orange. Okay, now next picture. Yes, these are olives. Yes, okay, now for this we will use the sound of letter O is O, A, olives. Yes, O is the first letter in olives. O, A, olives. Okay, now come to the next picture. Yes, this is a lovely picture. Yes, this is an ostrich. Okay. Yes, O is the first letter in ostrich. Okay, now O, A, ostrich. O, A, ostrich. Okay, now next is, yes, this is an octopus. So, O is the first letter in octopus. O, A, octopus. O, A, octopus. Yes, today we will do the letter O. Yes, it has two sounds. Yes, one is O, A, and the second is O, 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 O. Okay, now it's time for writing. So how we will write small o on this line pattern? So first of all, I will trace this letter in front of you. Okay, now for small o, you will start from the middle line like this and come down and make an anti-clockwise like this. Touch the baseline. Now go up. And yes, you will make an anti-clockwise full circle, a complete circle for letter O. Okay, it should be in two lines, middle and base. Okay, now next, I will write this letter without dots. So, first, I will start with the middle line like this and come down and touch the baseline. Yes, and make an anti-clockwise half circle. Now go up and make an other half circle like this. And yes, I have done it. Yes, I will make an anti-clockwise full circle, a complete circle for letter O. This is small o. This is a lowercase and it should be in 2 lines. Okay. Now next again I will write letter O in front of you. So for this, first I will take start from the middle line. Now I will make an anti-clockwise half circle and touch the baseline. Now go up and I will complete this anti-clockwise half circle like this. Yes, this is a grass letter and it should be in 2 lines and it has 2 sounds. Okay, first is O. Good. O, A, O, A. And the second sound is great. O, 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 O. Now get ready for an activity. Okay, join the dots and make the letter with picture. So for this, first of all, yes, I will join the dot for making a letter. So I will take start from this point like this and join all the dots in proper way. Yes, I am making an anti-clockwise half circle and now go up and I am making another half circle like this, and yes, I have done this letter. I have written letter O with the help of these dots. Yes, this is letter O. Okay, now I will join these dots for making a picture. So yes, I will take start from this point and now join the dots, all the dots like this. Yes, for making a beautiful picture for the letter O. Okay, yes, O has 2 sounds. Can you tell me about these sounds? These 2 sounds? Yes, okay. Now the first sound. What is the first sound of the letter O is? Yes. Good. O, A, O, A. Okay, now can you tell me about the second sound of letter O? Yes. O. Yes. The second sound of letter O is good. O. 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 Okay. Now I have completed this picture. Okay, yes. Can you guess it? Yes, what is this? This is an ocean. Yes, good. This is an ocean. And O is the first letter in ocean. Okay, for this word, we will use the sound of letter O is O, ocean. O, ocean. Good. Yes, today you will write the letter O, small o, lowercase o on your notebook. Inshallah, we will meet again on tomorrow with the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you very much.